Hello again. These are the numbers that are the result of the assessment that we did back on 8/25 of your facilities. What we want you to know and what we'd like to propose is lighting changes to LED. Presently you're spending $23.56 about. That includes lights and maintenance on a monthly basis. The potential that you could be spending is $598. The savings is $17.58. So how would you reallocate those savings? Well, first you got to pay $598 to Nevada Energy. We provide a turnkey service and no out-of-pocket expense. So we put all the lights in that are guaranteed for 5 to 10 years for $1,265 per month. That still leaves you $493 a month free cash flow. The first year, $5,916 saved. And remember, there's no out-of-pocket expense, and it's turnkey for you. You should also know that we completely guarantee and the savings are permanent. So the proposal's just below this video. We hope you'll take the time to take a look at it. Thank you so much. We appreciate your time.